Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked if a minus 4b is equal to 18, what is the value of 3 to the a over 81 to the b? So first we're going to have to do some simplifications to this fraction. We want to get these to have the same base, so we have 3 to the a, and then 81 is 3 to the fourth. So this is 3 to the fourth to the b. So when you have a number to a power to another power, you can multiply the powers. So this is 3 to the 4 times b, which is just 4b. And then we can use the quotient rule, which states if you have one number, which in this case 3, to some exponent divided by the same number to another exponent, you can subtract the exponents. So this is 3 to the a minus 4b. What is this equal to? Well, a to the minus 4b, a minus 4b, we're told is 18, so this is 3 to the 18. So our original fraction is equal to 3 to the 18, which means C is our final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.